Hey everybody, welcome to the Exodus channel, your home for Exodus tutorials and the best crypto videos. Now be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons to keep the videos coming. Now sending and receiving crypto is easy with Exodus. Now, from the portfolio screen, you can see the options to send or receive. Now if you want to receive an asset that's not listed in your portfolio, scroll down and click Add More. You'll now see a screen to add more assets, and you can type the asset name in the search field. Now you can also use the filter to choose specific networks. And once you find the asset you want to enable, well, just select it to enable it and it will appear in your portfolio. You can also remove the checkmark to disable the asset. Now you can hide any asset without a balance except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. To receive crypto, you'll need the asset's address. Click on the asset, then click the arrow on the right to see the address screen. You can copy the address by clicking copy or scan the QR code. Paste or scan this address wherever you want to send crypto from. To send crypto, click on a funded wallet, then click on the arrow on the left-hand side. Now this will open a send screen and you can enter the amount of crypto you would like to send in crypto or in a fiat currency like USD. You can also send everything you have by selecting max. Just click on your preferred option. Now you can see the transaction fee before sending your crypto. 100% of this fee goes to the network that processes your transaction. Now Exodus doesn't keep any of it. If you'd like, you can enter a personal note to help you remember what the transaction was for. Just click on the setting icon in the top right corner. If you want to send your funds to another portfolio in your wallet, clicking the drop-down arrow will show you a list of portfolios. You also have the option to scan a QR code. Once you hit send, that's it. Your crypto will arrive at the destination wallet when the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. And we have a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching. And if this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.